Hello student, today we will discuss integration by part. Integration of u into v dx means integration of first function into second function. Means first function integration of second function minus whole integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function. We can understand this by help of this question, integration of log x dx. Before solving this integration, we must know ILATE property, ILATE. I for inverse trigonometry, L for logarithm, A for algebraic, T for trigonometry, and E for exponent. Let us suppose we have a logarithm and algebraic function. Which one will be the first function among this between these? Okay, by this property, logarithm will be the first function and algebraic will be the second function. By the reference of this integration, right? Log x is the first function and 1 dx means 1 is the algebraic function which is the second function. So by help of this, integration of log x dx equal to first function log x integration of dx second function minus whole integration of d upon dx of log x into integration of second function 1 dx whole integration log x integration of dx x log x minus differentiation of log x 1 upon x into x cancel dx integration of dx will be x equal to x log x minus x plus c. Now we must know this formula, integration of e to the power x into fx plus f dash x dx equal to e to the power x fx plus c. Condition must be fx and its differentiation must be available here. We can understand by help of this example, integration of e to the power x sin x into cos x dx. Since differentiation of sin x is cos x, therefore integration of this will be e to the power x sin x plus c. Now, exercise 7.6, x sin x dx. First function is x algebraic, second function is sin x trigonometric by help of this ILATE property. You will apply this formula. After this, you will break this and you will get the result. Now, question number 8, ILATE property. First function is inverse trigonometry, second function is algebraic. First function integration of second function, whole integration of differentiation of the first function and integration of second one dx. Tan inverse x square by 2 integration of differentiation of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square and x integration of x dx x square by 2. After solving this, you will get this one, x square upon 1 plus x square dx. You will add 1 and subtract 1. After this, you will separate this. After separating, you will get this result. Integration of dx will be x and integration of 1 upon x square dx means tan inverse x. Like this, question number 13, ILATE property. Tan inverse x is the first function, 1 is the second function. You will apply the formula. You will apply first function integration of second one minus whole integration of the differentiation of first function and integration of the second one. X tan inverse x minus integration of x upon 1 plus x square dx. X tan inverse x minus integration of x upon 1 plus x square dx. X tan inverse x minus 1 upon 2 integration of 1 upon t dt, because you have applied the substitution method. Finally, you will get this result. Now, question number 18, e to the power x 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. You will solve this one by help of the half angle. Okay, and you will apply this formula after this. Sin x 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Cos x means 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. 1 will cancel. After this, you will separate this. You will get the result like this. E to the power x 10 x by 2 plus 1 upon 2 sec square x by 2 dx. Let fx equal to 10 x by 2. Therefore, f dash x equal to 1 upon 2 sec square x by 2. Therefore, by help of this formula, the result is e to the power x 10 x by 2 plus c. Now, question number 22. Integration of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Let x equal to tan theta, dx equal to sec square theta d theta, and sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta d theta. The value of this is sine 2 theta, sine inverse, sine cancel, 2 theta, sec square theta, d theta. Now, by the Euler property, this is the first function, 2 theta is the algebraic function and sec square theta is trigonometric function. First function, integration of second one, whole integration of differentiation of the first one into integration of second one, 2 theta tan theta minus 2 tan theta d theta. 2 theta tan theta minus 2, integration of tan theta means log sec theta plus c equal to 2x, and tan theta means x, theta means tan by 6 minus 2 log sec theta means root 1 plus tan square theta plus c equal to 2x tan by 6 minus 2 log 1 plus x square plus c. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.